Welcome back my viewers and subscribers. We're going to take a walk through the town. I'm going to see what going on Christmas Eve. So we're down at the bus park, down at the gully. So we're going to head up in the town at Morant Bay and make you guys see what the Grand Market look like. So stick and stay, my viewers and subscribers, stick and stay and follow me. Grand Market night, and we are going in at the town. We're going to see what going on in at the night here. Everything look festive. So you said the season look alright?
Yeah man, you can't go on.
Money I run? Alright, no say nothing.
Tired, me tired.
Yeah, we're there in the town of Morant Bay. We just walk through and look on the Christmas. You know, we're going to Grand Market. Every season festive, you know. Things look jiggy. Whole heap of people there in the town here. In the night, things look festive. How the Christmas look, my dad? Or the thing look? The thing up? Alright. What go on? How the season look?
Buy Jamaica.
Alright, do your thing. Yeah, me in the shop here. It look nice. It look festive. What's it all about, mommy?
It's slow, but give thanks.
But you give thanks?
Yes.
Alright, I hope for a little more it pick up.
Yes, thanks.
Alright, now what kind of item do you have? Flowers and all?
And teddy bear.
And teddy bear and these things. Well, alright people, you see it? The Grand Market in a center must look festive, so stick and stay. You don't know the Christmas Eve look?
No, because it's always bigger than this.
It's always bigger than this.
I don't know the night ago still, so I don't know.
Alright, maybe before the night done, you get more excited.
Same stuff.
Alright, peace. So how the Christmas season look, or the festive season look?
Alright,
It's alright?
yeah.
Grand Market, this you buy teddy bear?
Yeah.
Alright, go and enjoy your thing. Alright, you know the art of Morant there. Jam up. The crown and anchor man. See all type of people that sell all type of things. The place jam up. Yeah. Season look festive, my people. Grand Market. Festive. Yeah. Christmas Eve festive. Me make Brazil lose.
Brazil looks like man, you know, come here and a question.
Yeah, and you say England you carry, don't you? But your side win?
No, sir.
So you complain about Brazil?
Side lose.
Your side lose?
Yeah, because of you make Brazil lose.
And me make Brazil lose?
Yes.
Why me I
Can you
tell
come and show up and say, oh, Brazil are going to win.
Yeah. Why me not tell you like the season festive? How do you look?
Just same way like before.
Just same way like before?
You never change.
You never change?
Just that's a normal way.
You know, so like the spending power increase or nothing? Same amount or same amount?
Baba. You know, so the town look skanky.
But run to park though down at the park?
That's a pitney thing.
Oh, a pitney thing. Alright.
Anything when you hear like this, we always say no.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, now send on the blessings here.
Bless up.
It's the star people, the star. Yeah.
Yeah, Bigsuper.
Yeah.
Rajan.
Your son Rajan is that? Alright. Wanna enjoy yourself here?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Big up the Bigsuper, subscribe and share.
Alright. Yeah, my viewers and subscribers. One little girl did last, and I just carried her around at the station a while ago. Yeah. Christmas Eve. I ask the people them keep an eye on the kids them. Please, keep an eye on the kids. talk to the man at the moment.
Yeah.
The moment that things are going for you.
Yeah, man.
First,
Argentina Christmas. Man.
Argentina Christmas.
You understand?
Fireworks.
Yeah.
Grand Market. New, what you call it, Christmas Eve.
Yeah.
What next?
Alright, we are going to do. We are going to do something there.
Yeah.
Argentina Christmas too.
You are going to do Argentina
Yeah,
Christmas.
man, we are going to do jerks on Argentina pork.
Yeah.
Jerks on Argentina chicken.
Yeah.
You understand? Cook some Argentina soup.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are going to cook some Argentina rice and peas with some Argentina gungo peas.
Alright.
You see me?
People look out for that.
I make some Argentina juice, natural juice.
Natural
you see me?
juice.
Because it's an Argentina Christmas we go.
Alright.
You understand?
That's what
yes, everything about Argentina. At 3 months, I wear my jersey.
You know, man, I see you come like you know wash
every
it.
day.
You know wash it.
Every
you
day. I fan me use right.
Right now, if you go at the embassy of Argentina, they must give you your visa, you know.
You understand?
Yeah, because you're dedicated.
But I don't really want to go there now, because they're overpopulated.
Okay.
Because the amount of people will come out for welcome the team home more than who live at Jamaica.
Yeah, more than
you understand? You see, first time we win this competition, we lose the first match.
Yeah.
The second time we win it, we lose the first match.
Yeah.
And this match, it meant for be.
Yeah.
For Argentina, you understand?
Yeah, Argentina Christmas.
I just all about Argentina Christmas.
Alright, turn up back your music.
Alright, now stand up. Argentina every day.
All the Christmas season, look. Everything look festive. Alright. All the night look, all the night look. Alright, that's nothing. You see the part where I go on tonight? Whoa, me I come back for my own any minute now. Don't make it done for me, you know. It can't done, alright.
We're done. Lift up your mother. What is your name, darling?
Open up their life to God. I'm asking you together in front.
How are you? How the night look, mommy? Festive?
Well, it just started to pick up.
It just started to pick
I mean,
up?
at the day it wasn't picking up.
Alright, I hope everything.
It just started to pick up.
Grand Market, I go work out good, man.
Yeah, man, no want that.
Alright, blessings.
Respect.
Yeah, my viewers and sub. Grand Market, New Year's Eve, fully active, Bigsuper, inside Morant. I hope you enjoy the festive season. Peace out.